Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to know, what is blockchain technology? Cryptocurrency 101. Let's get right into it. A blockchain is a distributed database or ledger that is shared among computer network nodes. A blockchain, like a database, stores information electronically in digital format. Blockchains are best known for their critical role in cryptocurrency systems like Bitcoin, where they keep a secure and decentralized record of transactions. The blockchain's innovation is that it ensures the fidelity and security of a data record and generates trust without the need for a trusted third party. The way data is structured differs significantly between a traditional database and a blockchain. A blockchain collects information in groups known as blocks, which hold sets of data. When a block's storage capacity is reached, it is closed and linked to the previously filled block, forming a data chain known as a blockchain. All new information that follows that newly added block is compiled into a newly formed block, which is then added to the chain once it is completed. A database typically organizes its data into tables, whereas a blockchain, as the name suggests, organizes its data into chunks that are linked together. This data structure inherently makes an irreversible timeline of data when implemented in a decentralized nature. When a block is filled, it is set in stone and becomes a part of this timeline. Each block in the chain is given an exact timestamp when it is added to the chain. Blockchain's goal is to enable digital information to be recorded and distributed, but not edited. A blockchain in this sense serves as the foundation for immutable ledgers or records of transactions that cannot be changed, deleted, or destroyed. As a result, blockchains are also referred to as distributed ledger technologies. The blockchain concept was first proposed as a research project in 1991, and it predated its first widespread application in use, Bitcoin, in 2009. Since then, the use of blockchains has grown exponentially thanks to the development of various cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance applications, and non-fungible tokens and smart contracts. Then there's the blockchain decentralization. Consider a company that owns a server farm with 10,000 computers that are used to maintain a database containing all of its clients' account information. This company owns a warehouse building that houses all of these computers under one roof and has complete control over each of these computers and all of the information they contain. However, this creates a single point of failure. What happens if the power goes out at that location? What if its internet connection fails? What if it catches fire and burns to the ground? What if a malicious actor wipes out everything with a single keystroke? The data is either lost or corrupted in any case. The blockchain allows the data in that database to be distributed across multiple network nodes in different locations. This not only adds redundancy but also ensures the fidelity of the data stored. If someone tries to change a record in one instance of the database, the other nodes are not affected, preventing a bad actor from doing so. If a single user tampers with Bitcoin's transaction record, all other nodes will cross-reference each other and easily identify the node with incorrect information. This system aids in the establishment of an exact and transparent sequence of events. This way, no single node in the network can change the information stored within it. As a result, information and history are irreversible. A blockchain record could be a list of transactions, but it could also contain other information such as legal documents, state identifications, or a company's product inventory. Now, is it safe and secured? In several ways, blockchain technology achieves decentralized security and trust. To begin, new blocks are always stored in a linear and chronological order. That is, they are always added to the blockchain's end. It is extremely difficult to go back and change the contents of a block after it has been added to the end of the blockchain unless a majority of the network has reached a consensus to do so. This is due to the fact that each block contains its own hash, as well as the hash of the block before it and the previously mentioned timestamp. A mathematical function converts digital information into a string of numbers and letters to generate hash codes. If that information is changed in any way, the hash code will change as well. Assume a hacker, who also operates a node on a blockchain network, wishes to alter a blockchain and steal cryptocurrency from everyone else. If they change their single copy, it would no longer be in sync with everyone else's copy. When everyone else compares their copies to each other, this one copy will stand out, and the hacker's version of the chain will be dismissed as illegitimate. To be successful, the hacker would need to control and alter 51% or more of the copies of the blockchain at the same time, so that their new copy becomes the majority copy and thus the agreed upon chain. Such an attack would also necessitate an enormous amount of money and resources, as they would have to redo all of the blocks due to the different timestamps and hash codes. With many practical applications for the technology already in place and being researched, blockchain is finally making a name for itself, thanks in large part to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. As a buzzword on the lips of every investor in the country, blockchain has the potential to make business and government operations more accurate, efficient, secure, and cost-effective by eliminating middlemen. As we enter the third decade of blockchain, the question is no longer whether legacy companies will embrace the technology, but when. Today, we see the proliferation of NFTs and asset tokenization. Blockchain will experience significant growth in the coming decades. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.